Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this linguistic adventure. Today's word is chocolate. It's an A1 level noun meaning sweet food from cacao. Yes, we're talking about that delicious treat that many of us crave. So, what exactly is chocolate? Well, it's a food made from roasted cacao beans, and it typically contains sugar. We often enjoy it as a sweet treat in bars, candies, desserts, and even drinks. You might say, I love eating chocolate after dinner, or this chocolate cake is amazing. It's a word that brings joy to most people's ears. Let's explore some synonyms for chocolate now. A good synonym is cocoa. For example, she added a spoonful of cocoa to her milk. Another synonym, though a bit broader, is sweet treat. You could say, he always buys a sweet treat for his children on Fridays. Or, how about the synonym confection? We can use it like this. The bakery specializes in delicious confections, including chocolate delights. You can also use candy as a synonym for chocolate, though it's more general. The child had candy all over their face after the party. How about a further example? Consider this. This gourmet shop offers confections from all over the world, including dark chocolate from Belgium. Now, let's delve into the realm of antonyms. Finding a direct antonym for chocolate is tricky because it's a specific food. However, we can consider things that are not sweet or things that are savory. Let's try vegetable. It's not directly opposite, but it represents a contrasting food category. You might hear he prefers vegetables to chocolate. Another option is savory food. Think of it like this. Savory food provides a contrast to the sweetness of chocolate. Alternatively, we could use unsweetened food. For example, she avoids unsweetened food but enjoys chocolate cake once a week. We can also use bitter food as a contrasting term. Like she disliked the bitter food and always looked forward to some creamy chocolate after her meals. One last antonym can be something like healthy food. We can use it like this. While healthy food provides essential nutrients, chocolate offers a delightful indulgence. Now, how can you use chocolate in your everyday life? Well, conversations about food are incredibly common. You could say, I'm craving chocolate. Or, do you want some chocolate? Or, what's your favorite kind of chocolate? You can also use it in more descriptive ways. The chocolate was rich and decadent. Or, she melted the chocolate for a fondue. Here are a few more usage examples to illustrate its versatility. He always buys a bar of chocolate at the airport. The aroma of chocolate filled the air as she baked. She dipped strawberries in melted chocolate. Dark chocolate is known for its antioxidant properties. He gave her a box of chocolate for Valentine's Day. Consider also these phrasings. I need a chocolate fix, which means you are craving it a lot. Or, she's got a sweet tooth for chocolate, meaning she likes to eat chocolate and similar things often. Or even, this chocolate tastes heavenly, which means you liked it very much. Let's review what we've learned today. Chocolate, an A1 noun, is a sweet food made from cacao. We explored synonyms like cocoa, sweet treat, and confection. We also looked at contrasting terms like vegetable, savory food, and bitter food. And we discussed how chocolate fits into everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on this tasty exploration of the word chocolate. I hope you enjoyed learning about it as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Now, if you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other English language learners discover the show. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word chocolate and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.